Guys, there are many flagship phones to choose from nowadays, but there is just one made for both casual and professional photographers. Yes, it is Sony Xperia 1V. Guys, Sony Xperia 1V is an incremental upgrade over the Sony Xperia 1.4. Still, Sony Xperia 1V is giving us very good design and performance. Starting with the design, it has been thoughtfully improved and you are looking at the only non-rigid smartphone that deserves a perfect mark for grip. The Xperia 1V has two Gorilla Glass Victus panels and the rear one is made with the dot pattern for extra grip. The metal frame is all rigid too, and this is how a premium phone can provide an outstanding grip experience without giving up on look. Moving on to the display, the Sony Xperia 1V has 6.5 inches OLED panel and it is 4K resolution panel that supports 120Hz refresh rate and HDR as well. Talking about performance, the phone runs on Android 13 with Xperia UI, and you will also get its Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset that is based on 4nm technology with Adreno 740 GPU. Let's talk about the camera. The primary imager got a massive upgrade with the multi-aspect 52MP Sony sensor with an affecting 48MP resolution. The rest of the cameras remain the same as 12MP telephoto and 12MP ultra wide as well. And with these cameras, you can do 4K video recording on 120fps with HDR as well. Talking about some extra feature, we are shocked to see the Sony is keeping alive the micro SD card expansion and the 3.5mm audio jack. Moving on to the last part, the Sony Xperia 1V is powered by 5000mAh battery and it supports 30W wired charging plus both wireless and reverse wireless charging. Now if we conclude our complete review, this smartphone design is very good. It is very lightweight, 4K resolution display, great battery life, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, very good photo qualities with this 3.5mm jack and micro SD card slot as well. But here there is no camera macro mode. You will not find any dynamic refresh rate for the screen, and there is no charger and no cable in the box. Are you satisfied with this performance in $1,500? Please write below in the box. And in this price range, we also reviewed Xiaomi 13 Ultra and Huawei P60 Pro as well. You can check out these videos as well. And at the last, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button.